In this video, you are going to see how to do text scrolling like this, horizontally or vertically in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. First, create a text layer and paste your text. Then adjust the settings as per your requirements. Next, for vertical scrolling, select the text layer and go to the properties panel. There you will see the option called roll. If you enable it, it rolls the text just like you see in the end credits of movies. Even you can customize and tweak the settings by using other options under it. Now, if you want to scroll the text in a horizontal direction, I mean left to right or right to left, then this option won't be useful or helpful. For that, go to the FX control panel after selecting the text layer. Then enable the keyframe for position only. Now, for the first keyframe, move the text position until it completely out of the video frame. Then for the next keyframe, move the text in opposite direction until it disappears. You can adjust the timing of the scroll by adjusting the length between the keyframes. And that's it. Now you know how to do text scrolling either horizontally or vertically in Adobe Premiere Pro.